Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video straight from Google Drive. It's super simple and yeah, perfect if your files are too big for your computer or you just don't want to download them again. So first, just sign in to your YouTube account. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Next, click the little Create button in the top right, yeah, that one, and choose Upload Video. This opens the upload window. Now here's the trick. Instead of uploading from your computer, open a new tab and head to Google Drive. Find the video you want, right-click it, and choose Download. You don't have to fully move it to your desktop. YouTube will use your browser's temporary downloads, so it's usually pretty quick. Once the download starts, switch back to YouTube Studio and either drag the file into the upload box or click Select Files. Your browser should show the file right there in your downloads. While it uploads, go ahead and fill in your title, description, and thumbnail. You can keep everything pretty simple or, add more later. When the processing finishes, choose whether you want the video public, private, or unlisted, whatever works for you. Then hit Publish. And if you don't want to download at all, there's another option. A bunch of third-party tools let you connect Google Drive directly to YouTube, but just make sure they're trusted before you use them. And that's pretty much it. Super quick, super straightforward. If this helped, feel free to give it a like. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.